It's sleek, sporty, and definitely looks different. Designed like a conventional street bike, with a sharp-looking LED headlight, upside-down front forks, with bodywork resembling a street bike. But with one crucial difference: without an internal combustion engine.
It's India's first artificial intelligence-enabled electric motorcycle, and that's the Revolt RV400. The first electric motorcycle from Revolt Motors, a startup, and that's the one we're riding today. What's so special about it? Well, it's targeted at the commuter segment, so this one will compete with the conventional 125cc motorcycles, and it's got an electric motor which puts out about 3 kilowatts, that's about 8.5 bhp of power. So that's the Revolt RV400, and that's the one we're riding to see what exactly does it offer and what kind of features it comes equipped with.
The RV400 runs on 17-inch wheels and gets disc brakes on both wheels with combined braking system. The design overall isn't exactly breathtaking, but it's definitely likable with its muscular front end, LED lighting all around, and sporty stance. The RV400 does resemble the Chinese Super Soco electric motorcycle and could be based on a familiar platform. But Revolt Intellicorp says almost the entire bodywork is made in India and only the battery and motor are imported. The RV400 is powered by a 3 kilowatt electric motor, and where there's a fuel tank on a conventional motorcycle, the RV400 houses its 72 volt lithium ion battery, which can be fully charged in around 4.5 hours.
So the first thing that comes to mind is, how do you charge the RV400? Well, there's several ways to charge it. Of course, you can plug it in with a conventional 5A 10A socket, and you plug in the portable charger here, then goes to the conventional socket if you have access to a conventional charger. The other thing is, what you can do of course is take out the battery from here. You'll have to take off the terminal and carry the battery to your workplace or to your home and charge it overnight. Now, it's got several features. That's the instrument panel, digital instrument panel. It shows you range, of course it shows you the kilometers, that's the speed, and it's got several modes. That's Eco mode 1, 2 is normal mode, and 3 is sport mode. In Eco mode you can do about 156 kilometers of range on a single charge. That's the claimed range on Eco mode if you're riding at about 65 kilometers per hour. And in normal mode it will do about 80-90 kilometers per hour, and of course claimed in sport mode it will go down to about 70-80 kilometers in a full charge. So that's the RV400. It's got several more features we'll talk about a little later, but now let's go and ride and tell you how it feels around this small go-kart track here. How does it handle, how does it accelerate, and more.
The RV400 will go up against conventional 125cc commuter motorcycles and has comparable performance. On the move, the RV400 is silent. But what is immediately likable is that it's easy to handle. And even if it's not breathtakingly fast, it can certainly reach decent speeds in no time. Around the corners, it takes a little while getting used to. But after a few laps, it gives you the confidence to push it. Although the front end does feel like it could do with some more feedback. Designed for intra-city commutes, the RV400 will be easy to handle in traffic, and the combined braking system works well. Although the ride quality felt a little stiff, we'll reserve our judgment on ride and handling till we get to ride it on actual roads.
Revolt RV400, it's a commuter motorcycle, so it's green and clean. On the back straight here, it's about 400 meters long. We saw a speedo indicated speed of about 69 kilometers per hour, so we don't really know exactly what the exact top speed is about. But it's light, it's about 108 kilos approximately, and it's nimble, so it handles quite well around the top corners here at the go-kart track. And for somebody who's starting out riding, I think this one, especially for college going guys, this one makes a really good case, provided the price is right. And of course it's got some nifty features, some nice gadgets, and overall I think it's quite a likable motorcycle. And big thumbs up to the Revolt RV400 being the first artificial intelligence enabled electric motorcycle from Revolt Intel Corp.
The RV400's claim to be enabled by artificial intelligence is mainly due to a few unique features. The dedicated Revolt app lets the owner access the battery swapping infrastructure and also set a security perimeter within a demarcated radius beyond which the RV400 will not start. Then there are the unique synthesized sounds. Not entirely realistic, but definitely a gimmick worth talking about.
So that's the very interesting Revolt app. You can change the sound of the bike. There are several different sounds on the bike. And of course you can do a geofencing, that's a security feature. You can put a geofence around the bike, say a certain kilometer radius, and the bike won't go beyond it. It's a security feature in case of, it's an anti-theft measure really. And of course you can swap batteries, where you can look for locations to swap batteries, and you can also order a battery online, all from this Revolt app. Very interesting indeed.
The Revolt RV400 is a commendable product in the electric motorcycle space, more so because it's primarily targeted at the lower end commuter segment. For use as an urban round-around, the RV400 is quite a likable motorcycle, light, nimble, and will be definitely easy to use once the battery swapping infrastructure is in place. The build quality could have been better, and the synthesized sound it offers are more of a gimmick than to be of any practical use. But as one of the first electric commuter motorcycles on offer, it certainly makes a strong statement.